Mage Squadron. Eliminate all bandits in the current airspace. We have the upper hand, but that doesn't mean we can ease up. Good luck.
Mage 1, Wilco. Mage 1 to Golem 1, thank your lucky stars. Looking good, Mage Squadron. Keep up that pressure. Trigger time to show the other guys that we can wet wild and do dirty things. Once you hit one of them, stick to him like glue. Don't let him out of your sights, even in the clouds. And so, your first hunting season begins. Enemy reinforcements. I don't like these odds.
Missile did not connect.
Gargoyle 2, fire, now!
I'm glued to this one.
We have him on the run, don't let up.
They decided. Enemy on your tail, watch out!
R2! Enemy on your 6! Base 2, enemy is locked on.
Aim pursuit, give me a hand! Enemy movement detected. Evading.
Mage 2, bandit down. Excellent work.
Behind target, attacking. Clear target, bailing out. Look. Okay. They decided. I'm here. I lost control. If you can't evade a missile, use chaff and flares. Your fingers should still move, even if you're in a 9G turn. They got me.
3 remaining.
Adjust. We need reinforcements now. Enemy on my tail. I can't change your clouds.
Jacob, he'll get you! Why are they pulling out?
Enemy missile moving. Breaking. Breaking out of block. Looks like they weren't ready for a fight. Nice kill.
1 remaining.
Once the enemy gets behind me, that's your chance to take him out.
Roger that.
Mage 2, missile launch.
Hostile on your tail. Evading missile.
Locked.
I'm hit, but still fighting.
Our radar shows no sign of bandits. You're in the clear.
I haven't even broken a sweat.
Seems to be crazy to pick a fight with us. A rabid dog would know better.
Missile incoming! Evade! Break! Break!
Wait, what the hell?
Missile. Caution! Missile!
Caution! A large aircraft is approaching. All aircraft, stay alert.
Missile.
We just learned that Eruzia is utilizing the Arsenal bird. Those bastards. They had that thing combat ready this whole time.
Enemy has a radar lock.
Skykeeper, what do we do about that monster?
We're just waiting for mission command.
We'll live through this, Trigger.
Watch out, we're surrounded!
These guys are definitely a step above the last drones.
Damn, they're agile. There's too many of them.
These guys will go down easy.
Break now.
All aircraft, no change in game plan. Destroy the Arsenal bird.
What is that thing? God help us. We've got enough to keep it up with the drone.
Golem Squadron, take out Big Baby Huey.
Stall warning. Overhead. Look at that light from the arsenal bird. We're showing our fire.
Enemy has a radar lock.
Missile hit.
Missile. Missile inbound. I can't get away.
Can't get a read on these bandits. They're dodging everything I throw at them.
Missile. Skeleton 1, just 6. Commander. You got me. Missile.
Damn. Skeleton 1 lost. Skeleton 2, take over command.
Gargoyle Squadron, this is Gargoyle 1. Skeleton Squadron, detail. The hell are we supposed to do?
Status?
Verifying the situation.
Column 2, missile, evade!
Evading!
Column 3, column 2's hit! Status report. Shit, Golem 2, do you copy?
This is Golem 2. Instruments still appear to be functioning okay.
Skeleton 3, break! Break! Missile! We lost another friendly!
Skeleton 3's lost.
Just keep coming. What's the plan?
Where's that report? Continue to maintain air superiority.
HQ, what's happening?
Skykeeper, I repeat, maintain air superiority.
How's that happen?
What the hell? Caution, all aircraft stay alert.
Get out of there!
Breaking!
Evade! Control ground! I'm breaking off!
Stall warning.
Skeleton 2 lost.
Stall warning. Stall warning.
We got incoming!
Skeleton Squadron is down. We've had too many losses. All squadrons, command has ordered a complete withdrawal. Leave the operation area immediately.
Brilliant observation. If they knew it earlier, more of us would have survived the hearing.
Save your chatter for the debriefing. Golem and Mage Squadron, give our allies some time to escape.
We'll go, but Golem 2's hit. Gotta send her back. Let's get dirty, Trigger.
Shoot down those UAVs. Don't let them touch any friendlies.
Golem 2, head back to base.
Gargoyle 1, escort Golem 2.
Continuing the mission. Still got my wings. Trigger doesn't need to fill in. I'm back and I...
It won't make any difference up here. Get back to base and cool your head.
Stall
Copy
warning.
that. Returning home.
I'm iced up. I got him. He's mine.
Locked. Missile away.
That is boy Mage 2. Just keep firing.
Retreating aircraft. Leave the AO. Allies will hold off pursuit. Golem Squadron, Mage Squadron, hang in there and come back safe.
Stall warning. Stall warning.
Enemies on me. Caution! Hostile on the radar lock! Attack missed.
Mage Squadron, you're going toe-to-toe with the UAVs. Good work. More UAVs spotted. Gargoyle Squadron, they might cut off your retreat.
My status is fine. Affirmative.
This is Gargoyle 1. Leaving Operation Airspace with Golem 2.
Retreating aircrafts, prepare for combat. It's a bogey. Gargoyle 1, Golem 2, engage now. Attack.
One bandit. Distance 30.
Gargoyle 1. Caution! Missile!
He's fast. It's like he...
Skykeeper. Gargoyle 1 lost.
What the hell? Golem 2, status report. Just talk to me.
I'm against an Su-30. Orange wingtips. I can't shake it off. It's matching me move for move.
Golem 2, stop dogfighting and run!
Locked.
The longer it takes, the worse our odds of getting out of here are. Machines don't get tired. Yowza!
Caution.
Golem and Mage Squadron, help us!
Get those UAVs off of France!
Let Golem and Mage Squadron handle it. They'll pull through.
Get your asses out.
Getting a little tight.
Mage 2, UAV down. Keep it up, buddy.
Fort Gray's aircraft. We'll let you take it easy next time.
I'm dead meat. I don't get it. Why isn't it opening fire? I'm scared. I'm scared.
This is not good. Brody, break off. Attack missed. Missile headed for friendly. Not on my watch. This one's mine.
Don't eyes up in there. Locked. H2, UAV down.
Does main squadron still have their hot shots? Then we just might make it out. Don't look back, just have faith. Column and main, we owe you a debt. And we'll pay it.
Hell of a good job, Mage 2. We want as many guys out here as possible.
I'm grateful you're around.
Golem 2, what's your status? Status report.
He's a predator. The weak get eaten.
Golem 2, get a hold of yourself. Golem 2, get away from the enemy.
Mage 2, support! Somebody! Support!
Bandit is down.
Golem 2, lost.
Shit. Skykeeper, where's the one that got Brownie?
I'm afraid he's long gone by now. Sorry. All UAVs have been splashed.
I said what I had to say. About what? Not a girl who'd retreat. Just not in her DNA. That was the right decision at the time. No, I should have never let a fledgling like her out of my reach to begin with.
Golem Squadron, Mage Squadron, withdraw.
Mage 2, we have you on radar. You are cleared for approach. Runway's clear. Mage 2, you are cleared for landing. 3,000 to runway. Mage 2, lower speed. Mage 2, lower nose. You're too high. 1,500 to runway. You're past the guidance limit. Make a visual landing. Nicely done, Mage 2. I knew you'd be back. Stand by for further orders. Be ready for your next sortie.
Mage Squadron, this is the situation. Golem and the other bases squadrons already joined forces and are engaged. You guys